according to numerical number 1, what is given? Displacement is given. That is the displacement of a body. We can write displacement under bracket that is denoted by x, not s. X is equal to 3 plus 8t square, 3 plus 8t plus 7t square meter. And time is given, instant of time is 2 seconds. What we have to find? Velocity and instantaneous acceleration at the instant t equal to second. First of all, we know that velocity is equal to dx by dt. That is the expression of instantaneous velocity. We can write ddt of x. Below this, what we can write ddt of x is 3 plus 8t plus 7t square. 7t square. And it will be what? Answer will be 8 plus 14t. Differentiate and prove that this instantaneous velocity will be 8 plus 14t meter per second. That is the expression of instantaneous velocity. In what way it will come? That is ddt of d by dt of 3 plus d by dt of 8t plus d by dt of 7t square. In detail, so directly we can write 8 plus 14t. And now ddt of 3 is constant, so obviously ddt of 3 is 0. Now we can bring 8 outside ddt operator because 8 is constant. Ddt of t, 8 into ddt of t, then 7 into ddt of t square. That is 0 plus ddt of t is 1 and 7, and ddt of t square is 2t.
How it becomes 0?
ddt, we know we had the formula ddx of c. C is constant, so 0. That's why ddt of 3 becomes 0. Clear? 3 is constant, that does not change. D means change of 3, that is 0. That's why ddt of 3 is 0. D means small change in 3. Similarly, we can memorize that ddt of t cube becomes what? Ddt of t cube becomes, we had the formula 3t square. Ddt of t square becomes what? 2t, using that formula, formula number 1. And ddt of t is how much? Ddt of t is 1. So that's why this is what? V equal 8 plus 14t plus meter per second, 14t meter per second. That is what? The instantaneous velocity. If we differentiate displacement with respect to time, then we get instantaneous velocity. Not only velocity, instantaneous velocity of the body. Now we can find the acceleration. Acceleration is what? Ddt of which quantity? Velocity, not the displacement. Now put the expression of V. Ddt of 8 plus 14t. That will become how much? Only 14 meter per second square. So acceleration is constant here, only 14 meter per second square. Directly we can write 14. If we have confidence, then directly you can write only 14. Or here what we can use the formula ddt of 8 plus ddt of 14t, and ddt of 8 is 0 and 14 is constant, and ddt of t, and we know that ddt of t is 1. So finally we get A as 14 meter per second square. That is what A equal to 14 meter per second square is the instantaneous acceleration at instant t second. Instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration of the body. Now we have to find the velocity and acceleration at t equal t second. Therefore, so here we write at t equal to 2 second. What is the expression of velocity? Velocity had the expression 8 plus 14t. Here we can write 8 plus 14t. Na? So that will be how much? Obviously 36 meter per second. This is the value of velocity at the end of 2 second. At the end of 2 second. 36 meter per second. In what way? At t equal to second, 8 plus, now putting t as 2 second, 14 plus 2, that is 8 plus 28 is 36 meter per second. And what about the acceleration? Also, acceleration remains constant. Acceleration is 14 meter per second square. 14 meter per second square, that is the acceleration. So these are the answers. So these are one of the answer, and this is one of the answer. And if you have time, then here we can repeat what, and this is also what. This is what the velocity. This is the instantaneous velocity at 2 second. Instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity of the body at the end of 2 second. At the end of how much second? 2 second. And a equal 14 meter per second. This is what? This is the instantaneous acceleration. This is the instantaneous acceleration at the end of what? At the end of again 2 second. Acceleration is constant in this case at the end of 2 second again. These are the answers. Number 2. Now numerical number 4. Last numerical of the day is numerical number 4. Remaining numerical solution of remaining numericals. You will get the solution of remaining numericals from YouTube file. That is now numerical number 4. What is given according to numerical number 4? Displacement of a body is given, which is y. In short, y is equal to minus 2 by 3 t square plus 16t minus 12 meter. That is the displacement. After what time the body comes at rest? Comes at rest means v equal 0. In this case we have to find the time. So we can find the instantaneous velocity, that is ddt of y, not s. In this case the displacement is y. That's why you have to write ddt of y, and ddt of minus 2 by 3 t square plus 16t minus 12. Formula jana thakle directly we can write the ultimate result. Ki hobe ultimate?
এক সেকেন্ড।
ফাইনাল রেজাল্ট কি হবে কেউ জানলে বলতে পারিস? মাইনাস হাউ মাচ? 4 by 3t plus 16 only, na? That is the expression of instantaneous velocity. This is the expression of instantaneous velocity. Time na thakle directly we can use the formula. This is what? Expression of instantaneous velocity. Velocity of the body instantaneous velocity of the body. তাহলে এখানে কি লিখতে হবে জানো? রেজাল্ট তো ডিরেক্টলি ইউ ক্যান রাইট ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ দ্য কনফিডেন্স, আর যদি কনফিডেন্স না থাকে and if you have the time, ddt of minus 2/3 of t square plus ddt of 16t minus ddt of 12. Now what we have to do? Can you response kar? After that what we have to do?
Sir, minus 2/3 d by dt bracket t square.
Very good. That means minus 2/3 is constant, that can be brought outside ddt operator. Then plus what?
16
into t by dt into t.
one bracket
ddt of t, na? Not into t, because ddt is operated over t.
minus 0.
And what is the value of ddt of 12?
0.
1 na 12 na 0?
So 0.
0. So now minus 2/3 and ddt of t square is 2t, and 16 and ddt of t is 1. So 16 into 1. So finally we get the expression of instantaneous velocity of the body at instant t equal t second. So right, if the body comes at rest, if the body comes at rest, if the body comes at rest, in that case the instantaneous velocity will be 0, v equals 0. Therefore minus 4/3 into t, minus 4/3 into t plus 16 is equal to 0, or comma minus 4/3 into t is equal to 16. So what will be the value of time? T will be how much second? 12 second, na? 12 seconds. So at the end of 12 seconds the body will come at rest. এখানে কি আছে দেখি, the body না কার? PDF এ থাকলে এটা প্রবলেম, body. So answer is what? Obviously here obviously the body comes at rest at the end of 12 seconds. At the end of 12 seconds.